We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more Arabic names as well. Stay tuned to learn more. Abdullahi is how it's pronounced in Arabic. Abdullahi, Abdullahi. We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more Arabic names as well. Stay tuned to learn more. Abdullahi is how it's pronounced in Arabic. Abdullahi, Abdullahi. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.